Hi guys, so recently one of my friend had received an offer from Facebook London for the role of software engineer 2, and that is level E4. So in this video I'm going to talk about how his salary numbers look like. So he was given the base salary of 82k GBP. His GBP is the Great Britain pound. His relocation bonus was 10k GBP. Like relocation bonus is given to cover up cost when you are shifting cities or shifting countries. Like you will incur cost while for flight tickets or while searching for stay there. So to cover up those kind of costs, companies give relocation bonus. So mostly if you have received the job offer from the same city in which you are residing, so in that case you won't receive the relocation bonus. And another thing here is that companies also provide initial days of stay in your hotel or some kind of guest house. So this relocation bonus is given on top of that. His signing bonus was 0 and stock bonus is 200k US dollars. Stock grant vested over 4 years. So what does vested over 4 years means that he will receive this 200k distributed over 4 years. Like in first year he will receive only 50k, in second year he will receive another 50k, and in third year another 50k, and similarly for the fourth year. So every year he will receive 25% of this amount. And why stock bonus is given in USD is because, like, if you'll see here, then yeah, so like Facebook is listed on Nasdaq stock exchange, which is basically a stock exchange in United States. So that's why these stock bonuses are given in the USD currency. And apart from that, as part of his CTC, he received standard Facebook benefits like 25 paid vacation days, unlimited paid sick leave days, health insurance, free food and gym reimbursements, and some other benefits are also there. So his total compensation comes out to be 128k GBP for the first year, and from second year onwards, it would be like this 10k GBP won't be there, so it would be like 118k GBP from second year onwards. But again, it could be more than 118k as well, because he might receive a lot of appraisal, and apart from that he might receive stock refreshers as well. So yeah, and at the time of receiving this offer he had like 5 years of work experience. So like personally I think for a person with a 5 year of experience, like this 128k GBP is a bit low number, because like if you compare it with, like, this number would roughly come out to be 1 crore 28 lakhs in INR, in Indian national rupees. And like with 5 years of experience you could easily get 1 crore CTC in India in some of the top tech companies. And apart from that, if you also compare it with the CTC of someone, you know, working in Facebook Menlo Park, who has like 5 years of work experience, so he would be receiving like at least 200k GBP CTC. And so that's why I personally think that this number is a bit low. Like if you see here, like signing bonus is also 0. Like he was telling me that his recruiter told him that like Facebook has stopped giving signing bonuses now, but I don't know like what was the reason that this joining bonus is 0. And apart from that, like stock bonus can also be a lot more than he's been given right now. But another thing here is that like in Europe the salaries are usually low. So again, if you are shifting countries with an aim, with, you know, an aim for higher salary, then Europe is not the right place to go. Like you can go to some of the finance companies which are there in Europe. They offer very high salary numbers, and I have also made a video on that. Like you can check that out in the recommendation section. And apart from that, yeah, I think that was mostly it for this video. And yeah, another thing here is to note here about Facebook is that usually when you are joining Facebook at a level E4, so like Facebook have levels like E4, E5, E6. If you compare them with Google levels, like they are L4, L5, L6. And similarly in Atlassian, the levels are like P4, P5. So these are like SD1, SD2, SD3 levels. Like E4 is roughly SD2. So like one thing here at Facebook is that if you're joining at E4 and in 2-3 years you do not make it to E5 level, like if you do not get promoted to E5, so you will most probably get fired from there. So that is another, like, one of the things to note here. Although most of the people make it to E5, like but like that is one of the things I had to highlight. So be aware before joining Facebook London. And like that's true for Facebook generally, not just for Facebook London. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video, and I'll see you all next time.